Look at these. Bending over in the snow with the weight of it. Lily's little house.
We should make snow ice cream.
The fire pit. Yeah, see if she'll do it. We can gather it. Just be careful of the pool. December the 13th. Snowing like crazy in Rogers, Arkansas. We had to go out and take the swing down. We'd left Ellie's swing up all this time. You hear what? Oh yeah, the limbs. Let's see how the pergola's doing. Luckily at this point there's nothing really to hold weight. So it'll be fine. That'll be kind of interesting. I don't know if I'd be afraid to do it. I'd like to get the drone out and play with it, fly it in this, see what it would look like. It'd be cool. But I don't have the guts for that. Should take a picture of this.
That's what I took a picture of, but I just walked out.
Oh, okay. Well, I mean, with like the camera.
Oh,
I'm ready to go in. I'll turn on the far. Yeah, I'm glad I cut them.
yeah.
I trimmed these the other day. The hedges.
Can y'all go over to the garage and come in? You're not coming in one more day. No, you're not.
That was rude. Is the door locked?
Look at that picture of the snow coming down right there.